Today, I created an amazing, absolutely realistic AI short film for free. Yes, it's completely free. You too can learn how to create AI films and movies like this if you watch this video. In this video, I've explained everything step by step in a very easy and simple way. Each step is important. Don't skip any part, or you might not understand the full process. I'll provide the video prompt in the YouTube description, but it's very important to know how to use it properly to generate the right images. Sometimes the image doesn't turn out as expected, so I've also explained how to fix and adjust it. I've shown how to take a basic prompt and turn it into your own custom image prompt. Maybe no one has explained it like this before. If you're new, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. If you're new, do not skip any part. Every part of this video is important. If you truly want to create a short film like this, you can use my prompt. You can also use the same prompt I use for making videos. This one prompt can change the way you create forever. Let's get started on how we can create the best AI short film. This is not just a tutorial, it's a full blueprint to success. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can do this. Every step is explained clearly, so stay with me till the end. By the end, you'll be ready to create your own viral AI short film. So grab a notebook, hit like, and let's dive into the magic of AI filmmaking. Remember, the only limit is your imagination, and we're about to push it. Let's start. Open ChatGPT and write this prompt. A giant snake is in the jungle. A black helicopter appears overhead. Some tourists arrive, and upon seeing the snake, they start running in fear, etc. Don't worry, I will give you the full prompt in my YouTube description. Just paste it there and you'll get the complete story. The length of the story depends on how long you want it to be. After that, I'll write, now give me 9 image prompts in detail so the prompts are ready. Step 2, important point. But remember this. Sometimes the prompts may not generate the correct image. In this video, I will show you how to fix those prompts so they produce the right image. After that, open Picculum, which is a free website where you can create many images. I select the image size as 16:9. Now I copy the prompt and paste it into Picculum. The image will be generated. You can see that I keep copying and pasting the prompts and the images are created. But there's one problem. Some images may not turn out well. So I will also explain how to fix those prompts so that they generate the correct images. For example, if an image doesn't match my video properly and I want to change it, what should I do? Let's say the boy and girl in the image look older than what I need. So here's what I do. I copy the original prompt and add the specific details I want. For example, I write, please add in this prompt. The boy is 32 years old and the girl is 15 years old. They are running while holding hands, both wearing black pants and black jackets. I paste this into ChatGPT and it will give me a new updated prompt. Now I copy that new prompt and paste it into Picculum, and it will generate the image exactly how I want it. This way, you can create any prompt the way you like. Now I continue copying and pasting my prompts, and you'll see the images being generated as I go. Piclumin is a very good website that offers high-quality images, graphics, and digital content. It's user-friendly, well-organized, and perfect for designers, marketers, and creatives. The wide variety of visuals makes it a valuable resource for professional and personal projects. Piclumin truly stands out in visual content platforms. And in this way, all my images have now been created. You can see them here. Step 3. AI voice generation. To generate AI voice, we will use 2 AI websites. The first website is called Text-to-Speech IBM. Select English, then choose American. After that, choose Michael's voice. It's a good voice, and you can use it. The second AI voice generator is called OpenAI TTS. You can use this as well. The best and most powerful voice here is Tom. It sounds amazing, and you can use it too. Paste your prompt into the text box, Click on Create Speech, then go to History, and your audio will be ready. Step 4. Video generator, very important. Now let's talk about how to generate videos using free tools. The first website is Digen.ai. This website gives you 300 daily credits, which you can use to create around 10 videos. The next day, you will receive more credits. As you can see here, these are the credits I currently have. The second website is Pixverse.ai. It gives you 60 credits daily, which allows you to make 3 videos per day. The third website is called Hiluai.video. When you sign up, it gives you 1,100 credits, which is enough to create many videos. After that, it gives you 100 daily credits. So let's start making videos for free by using these 3 websites. Now, I click on Digen.ai, then click Create. I write a simple prompt like, "The helicopter is flying during a natural moment." I click Generate, and the video starts making. It's simple. If you want to give your English prompt a little more detail, for example in my next video after uploading an image, I write, "The helicopter is flying and the army's tanks are also moving." After that, I click on Pixverse, then click here to upload an image. I paste this prompt. The dinosaur is moving and opening its mouth. The video will start generating. Next, I upload another image and write this prompt. The children are running, and a big snake is chasing them from behind. I click Create, and the video will start making. I open Hiluai and click here. Then I upload the first image and write this prompt. The army soldiers are firing, and the dinosaur is moving. The firing looks so real, as if it's actually happening. I click on Video, and the video starts generating. In this way, you can upload images and add the moment or action you want. This is how I will create all my videos, customizing each one as I like. In this way, I have made videos on all 3 websites. You can see everything. If you want to make videos completely free, use Digen.ai, where you can create 10 videos daily for free, and you also get daily credits. You can also use the other 2 websites to make videos. Now, the videos are ready. Final step. I edit the videos I've made using CapCut. It's a very good software for video editing. I also edit my videos here because it has great effects. This is how I will edit my videos and get them ready. Thanks. Next time, I will bring another video with a new method and a new video. Please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.